Welcome back to our channel. Today we're here to talk about Cardano to $300, Cathie Wood employees leak when ADA will hit $300, Cardano news today. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started. Blockchain's ADA cryptocurrency soared to become the third largest in August, following Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano was launched in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Bitcoin rival Ethereum. Every time someone buys or sells cryptocurrency, it's permanently recorded on the platform blockchain. Avid investors should know that it's not a guaranteed way to make money and you can lose all the cash you put in. In other words, don't invest more than you can afford to lose or invest in something you don't understand. Cryptocurrencies are also particularly volatile and their values can fluctuate significantly without notice. There are a few regulations on cryptocurrency companies, so if you run into problems, you'll find that they're not protected. According to CoinMarketCap, Cardano is currently worth $2.63. It has decreased by 9.30% in the last 24 hours and has decreased by 6% in the last 7 days. By comparison, it was worth only 18 cents at the beginning of January this year. That is, its value has skyrocketed by more than 1,360% since then. Cardano reached a record high when it reached $2.3091 on May 17th. The value of cryptocurrencies is very volatile. In other words, it's impossible to know for sure future prices. Still, many experts make predictions for Cardano, but they are not guaranteed, so it's important to take them with just a little salt. The cryptocurrency market is affected by many factors, including regulatory crackdowns and celebrity comments. CoinPrice Forecast now predicts that Cardano will reach $4.43 by the end of 2021, up from the $3 forecast on August 24th to reach $10.87 by the end of 2024. Meanwhile, Wallet Investors Cardano's one-year forecast is $5.099 and its 5-year forecast is $13.98. In addition, Digital Coin Price predicts Cardano will reach $3.90 this year and rise to $4.83 in 2022. Cryptocurrencies are expected to reach $11.69 by 2028. Experts are urging enthusiastic investors to invest only the money they can afford to lose, whether in Cardano or other cryptocurrencies. Susanna Streeter, a senior investment and market analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, warned earlier, most of the demand for these coins and tokens comes from traders who want to benefit from future prices increases rather than using them as a medium of exchange. Often, profits are driven by enthusiastic chat across social media where influencers are fighting for a position to push their favorite coins. But like slot machines, many of the coins in circulation are very speculative bets, and investors need to be involved only if they can afford to lose. Cardano ADA, a market leader with tremendous profits, has blown up the world of altcoin with news of blockchain companies' intention to ultimately deploy smart contracts on their platforms. The realization of smart contracts on Cardano's game-changing proof-of-stake crypto platform, which is built into the roadmap from the start, represents an important step in the company's scrutinized development, and that's finally happening. Soon, we hope. Cardano's mainnet Alonzo hard fork is scheduled for September 12th, and perhaps Cardano ADA will unleash the latest Ethereum ETH alternatives on time. Once smart contracts are enabled, Cardano's blockchain platform will include great tools for developers to not only compete with and control ERC20 rivals, and finally, when that happens, the price of Cardano's ADA can explode. At least, that's what they told me on the interweb. But what is the true value of Cardano? How does Cardano ADA justify its position in the crypto market? And most importantly, how high can Cardano be? One thing is certain. If Cardano enables dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, DEX, and traditional trading platforms to be developed on the blockchain, great profit potential will continue. In its simplest form, Cardano is a decentralized P2P currency, but when fully realized, it represents an eco-friendly proof-of-stake blockchain platform. Combining pioneering technology with distributed applications, Cardano was created to redistribute power to individuals. Cardano ADA is proud to be the first platform in the field to be established based on peer-reviewed research and evidence-based methods by an array of excellent engineers working on blockchain projects. But for ADA enthusiasts around the world, Cardano ADA is the killer of Ethereum ETH. In addition, Cardano's proof-of-stake system for mining is already working, and with the recent announcement of the deadline for smart contract deployment on September 12th, Cardano ADA is the world's #1 diversification of cryptocurrencies. We aim to become a type of development platform. At the time of writing, Cardano was $2.16, which settled down a bit after this week's explosion. Cardano, which rose more than 52% last week, is directly competing with Binance Coin (BNB) for a third spot on the list of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Cardano has a market capitalization of approximately $70 billion. There are 32,112,287,343 coins in circulation, with a maximum supply of 45 billion. Unless there's a significant increase in cryptocurrency adoption from here, Cardano ADA will need to start gaining market share from its competitor, ETH, if it plans to continue to grow at this pace. Cardano bull case. Cardano's promise to allow smart contracts on the platform has created an enthusiasm for currencies. With the deployment of Alonzo's hard fork, this eco-friendly altcoin will finally be able to compete directly with Ethereum to gain a new market share. And as a top 5 cryptocurrency project, Cardano ADA is well positioned for the next support tranche. Cardano bear case. After such dramatic price increase, there may be a natural pullback at the table. Cardano ADA has fought hard for the position in the crypto market, but there is a good reason to pause before jumping into this blockchain concept for the first time. The promise of smart contracts in Cardano is compelling, but for the company to meet the expectations of investors, its delivery must be perfect. There's concern that the price of future Alonzo hard forks has already been set. If Cardano delays the implementation of smart contracts on the platform after September 12th, it could dramatically reduce its current price. How long does it take for Cardano ADA to reach $300? Cardano's biggest challenge going forward is to prove to investors that it can take market share from ETH. Some may predict that ADA will overtake ETH as the second cryptocurrency by market capitalization, but more rational expectations can help guide the short-term impact of Cardano's announcement. With or without smart contracts, Cardano is positioned as one of the top 5 cryptocurrency projects at the right time. Cardano will stand out to those who are studying altcoin for the first time, as investors will flood the exchange in the coming months. Alonzo's hard fork is in line with this increase in participation, so the conditions for great profits are in the front and center. If you are a discerning investor who does not know how to justify Cardano's current market price, consider the following. ADA can reach $300 by market capitalization as the second cryptocurrency without replacing ETH. This is especially true if Ethereum has a market capitalization alongside other crypto markets, a likely scenario. The cryptocurrency market maintains a market capitalization of $2 trillion to determine whether investors will trust the recent rise in altcoin prices. Bitcoin, BTC, has a 44% advantage and is declining as altcoins like Cardano continue to outpace the market. Alongside Dogecoin, Doge, Cardano ADA experienced a significant increase last week, and it seems that momentum is gaining towards another altcoin explosion. Ultimately, Cardano ADA represents one of the top currencies in the fast-growing altcoin market. The years of experience behind the project have made ADA the leading currency in this area. Undoubtedly, ADA still has great profit potential, and if the platform can fulfill the promises of smart contracts, those benefits may come sooner than expected. Like other cryptocurrencies, Cardano is a risky investment because it is unregulated. This means that you will not get protection if something goes wrong. In addition, fees can be higher than regulated investment products. Cryptocurrency is also complicated to understand and dangerous for strangers. It's also very risky due to volatility and can go up and down, so you should only invest if you can afford to lose cash. Mr. Streeter said, most of the demand for these coins and tokens comes from the traders who want to benefit from future price increases rather than using them as a medium of exchange. Often, profits are driven by enthusiastic chat across social media where influencers are fighting for a position to push their favorite coins. But like slot machines, many of the coins in circulation are very speculative bets, and investors need to be involved only if they can afford to lose. However, the forecast is not guaranteed, so it's important to take the forecast with a grain of salt. For example, Coin Price Forecast predicts that Cardano will reach $3 by the end of 2021 and $5 by the end of 2024. Then, if the value could reach $10, it's expected to rise further by 2031. Meanwhile, wallet investor Cardano's 1-year forecast is $3.093 and its 5-year forecast is $9.774. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments section.